Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical, and on today's video, this is Finney Electrical does poutine. Let's get into this. Yeah, so for those who know me, I'm in a band, and the singer of the band got asked to do a burger van with his mate. So he's been working there a few days during Tramlines Festival for Sheffield, and he was like, do you want to come down and work in a burger van, see some bands? I was like, yep, sounds fun to me, so let's go and get him. There he is, how we doing?
Good, mate.
Been enjoying your burgers?
We probably have to park down the bottom. We're not doing burgers.
What are you doing?
We're doing poutine.
Poutine!
Poutine.
What makes poutine?
It's chips, gravy and cheese curds. It's Canadian.
There we go, Owl Stadium then. So I've got my accreditation, got my pass to get in, there we go, trader for the event. So let's get down there. And we're in. So we made it past security then with this little band. This is the behind the scenes of a festival. But yeah, so it should be interesting. Apparently so those who know me, I used to be a potato boy in a fish shop, and I'm becoming a potato boy again. Just crunching down this handle and firing out spuds and putting it in water. That's my job today. It should be a bit of fun. So yeah, imagine doing the electrics on this rig then. So I've seen it, there's a guy on TikTok that does like the big generator setups and how to program it, and you have to mess about controlling it all, and if one goes down it then kicks up the back up so you don't lose your full show. So yeah, it's super setup, loads of massive cable runs everywhere. So yeah, it's a bit different than the gigs that we used to put on, you know what I mean? No, the video might get cut short, flipping heck. So I just talked with James, so right, we're just going to be doing a bit of vlogging today. And he's like, oh, I better check, so it might be a bit funny with like security and stuff like that, but we'll see if we can get some bits in. Hopefully we get a full episode out of this. But yeah, Scott didn't have an Ivis, so he borrowed it out yesterday, so let's get Scott back in. Hey, we got him in. So then, yep, Scott,
yeah.
What's the lineup for today then? You know it better than me.
Ratings are headlining, Franz Ferdinand, The Last Dinner Party, a couple of other bands, can't remember.
And then what were the best band yesterday or tomorrow, what do you think?
Pulp were really good.
Pulp were good?
Yeah, good man.
And then
sounded great.
And what's tomorrow then?
Tomorrow is Kasabian.
Ooh, bit of Kasabian. Right, we are in then. This is the little kitchen then. So I'm on Charlotte duty. Look at these little babies I've chopped. So it brings me back to the good old days. It's like a full circle moment coming back to the kitchen. So we've got Daniel here then. Hello, Pastor Daniel. Scott's over here. He's been pounding those taters, hasn't you? Doing a great job.
Mate, absolutely pounding.
Pounding the taters. Right, little sleek operation, isn't it? Look at these little bad boys, we'll take that. There we go, presenting Scott with the potato masher. Well, let's get some action shots. Oh yes, look at them.
That smooth flow.
And we'll go again, Oh, look at that. That'd be great for montage at the start. Oh, is this the gravy, is it? The magic sauce. Okay, the chippies are done. There we go, so just doing a sound check now then, so just had the ratings on. So it's basically like old school Arctic Monkeys kind of band, if you haven't heard of them. But yeah, we get a kind of front row seat really, some decent music while they're setting up.
Big tree.
Guitar mic check now. Sounds good, doesn't it? So they basically go through all the instruments one at a time, then make sure it sounds good. Then they'll play a song together and blend it together. We're writing on the labels when it was cooked and the quantity. Go then, Scott, teach me some rules.
Chips, used by, date, shelf life, employee, manager.
There we go. There we go. That's how we keep it all legit, don't we? Look at this. What's this? The Yorkshire gravy then, James?
Gravy and hendos.
Oh, go on then. What's in it?
Hendos.
Hendos, go on then.
Wine, herbs, shallots, garlic, carrot, beef stock, chicken stock,
Nice.
Henderson's relish, no Liam Perrins, don't do none of that. And then yeah, just a thickening agent. So if you don't know, get to know.
Yeah, that's what we call them.
So we're hungry Homer, we're from Sheffield. We're people loving, God loving, and yeah, we like good portions, hence I'm 20 stone. I was 15 when I bought the business. So yeah, good people, good food, good portions. That's the key. And yeah, season your stuff. You don't season it, don't serve it.
Yeah. Here we go then, so it all kicks off at 12. So they're just doing a sound check. Look at this, it's a right little festival. That'll do. So we've got a bit of Nepalese pizza, fried chicken burgers. That guitar sounds great. And this is it, poutine! Hey, that'll do. Apparently we've got a couple of road dogs as well. That's great. Mr. Daniel, Pastor Daniel, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I am.
Good
This
lad.
is what I do for
Look at this, it's like MasterChef, look at this. That'll do you. Here we go, nearly show time. What are you prepping, Scott?
Cheese curds.
Cheese curds, like it. That'll do you. That's it's my first creation. What do you think, Scott?
Lovely.
Do you think
lovely.
I'll make it?
Tastes great. You'll do really good today.
Yeah, I'm definitely out of my comfort zone today. Top cook. Right, doing a little walk then. I'm gonna go on the waltzers or something. Here we go, absolute sweating. Yeah, just first little busyness and getting all the bits done. Yeah, looks like we've got a massive queue now actually. Thought I'd have a 2-minute break, but flipping heck, it's absolute rush. Might have to get back in there. Do you need help? Now they don't need me quite yet then, so yeah, we've just been getting all the chips ready and then I've just been serving it into these pots, putting like gravy on it and cheese and oh, it looks lovely. So it's a mad rush, you literally just like wah, 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 like going 100 miles an hour, but yeah, it's definitely a workout. Yeah, I can't wait to get out and see some of the bands then. So I can't remember what it was now. Kasabian, I think that's tomorrow night. We've got the ratings. So they've got like these cool band shirts that look like football tops. So if we did it, it would like Speak Two Kings with like a little lion, would look like Arsenal. Oh, that would be right good, wouldn't it? Yeah, looking a lot busier now, look at this.
There you go.
Absolute heaving. So yeah, just going through his second quiet time now. But yeah, let's get back in there and get cracking. Yeah, it's lovely and sunny. We're back on the water duties. Just going to top the ladies up then, and then we'll go see how big the queue is. There we go, a bit of poutine, whatever you want to call it. Not too bad of a queue. So we're getting through it. We're beating fried chicken burgers, which isn't too bad. So I think poutine is actually winning for the longest queue. That's not too bad. Right, let's check out some bands then. I think this is close we're gonna get. I think I might have to get back and help the what is it? I keep forgetting what it's called, what is it? Poutine! I might have to help the poutine gang. There we go, so that's the what was just before the final push then, wasn't it? So it's been busy all day then. So what we're looking at as far as how busy it's been. We've just been looking at how many people have been coming, haven't we, over time. So what was your busiest time, like 12ish, 1ish?
Between, I'd say 4 and literally just now.
Yeah,
so, nice 4-hour constant stint.
And we saw really, we were like the biggest queue, which is pretty cool. So it's not too bad.
Spot on. Happy with it.
Got some footage from the crowd. So yeah.
So, homemade chips are hard though. Homemade chips are hard.
Yeah. Well, thanks for inviting us down there. It's been a bit of fun.
Yeah, it's all good.
Good to see the bands. So
good to see you again.
Yeah. So we've got one last push then, and then we'll do an ending then. Hopefully we'll get in the crowd for the ratings.
That's it. And get the beers out.
Yeah, we got skulls out. We've got us POV. Let's see if we can get some decent footage for the ratings. Go on, Scott. We want to get right to the front there.
Oh yeah, yes, absolutely. Let's go.
And I've got a can in my pocket and it's going everywhere. Yes, dude. Oh, secret entrance. And we're out. Yeah. The smoke machines.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
Yorkshire.
Rise up, boys, alright. Living in between swings.
Like sardines. We're nearly at the front.
Oh, this is mental. You can rest now.
I don't know where he is.
Come on.
He's brought someone out from the crowd to play guitar. Look at him. Come on, man. He's loving it. He only looks about 16, bless him. He's doing an awesome job. we go then. Oh, we finally got out of the pit then. Let's nick this guy's light. Hey! What do you think, Scott? You enjoy that? Oh, nice. What's this?
Yeah. From the bar.
Water. Oh, that was brilliant. We got some right footage.
Absolute chaos.
Oh, it's looks sweating, all like. Oh, 1 for 1, as they call it. Little churro. Thank you very much. I went in the food review. We've got like.
James, Finney's not here tomorrow.
That's like a 10 out of 10. That.
Is there anything else on?
Right then, so if you enjoy this kind of content, I know it's a bit different, but this is Finney Electrical does poutine. Was it poutine?
Poutine.
I can't remember still, flipping it, but if you enjoy this kind of content, the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. As always, have a good from me and Scott this time.
Yes, bro. See you
We'll
later.
see you on the next one. Peace. Go on, James, say goodbye.
From Hungry Homer, God bless.
Hey,
Pass her down.
hey, Father, and I bless this.
He blessed this day.
Do you want a photo?
Shalom.
Don't get your hopes up, son.